Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have a dead battery on my 2015, well it's not mine, Ford Edge, and we need to get it in neutral to tow it, and I'll show you guys how to pop that shift interlock. So we need to come down to this side panel right here, and we're just going to pop it out. And then if you look down in here, you can see that part right there is for your shift interlock. Down past it, you'll see that is your lock right there, or the part of the solenoid. So you just push it in, and then your shift interlock will be free, and you can get it in neutral. All right, guys. We'll try to get some more repair videos up. Right now I've been towing a lot, but check us out on Facebook. Hit the like button, subscribe. And as always, keep wrenching.